Hi everyone, this is Niels Later from Frameled. Welcome at ISE 2025 in Barcelona. Let me present to you the Frameled brand. Frameled has 496 cabinets in different pitches. One cabinet fits all our pitches, but this year we have a really innovation, and that's a cutie. What's a cutie? It's called actually quarter. So that means it's a quarter of our panel. It's a small size panel, 496 on 124. It's a quarter of the big panels. What can we do with it? We can extend our screens with it. We can put them on a standalone, put our names on it for quizzes, for speakers, suspend them before a door, put an exit sign on it, or any animation you want to present. Again, we have a beautiful connectivity with lots of holes, so we have all the possibilities to use it. This works together with 496 styles, so that makes a big difference in the future. For more information, you can always refer to our website, which is www.frameled.eu. I am Niels Later. Thank you for coming. See you next year at ISE Barcelona.